Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a TikTok video using Lottie files. So let's get started. As you can see, now we're on our home page. When you open your app, it takes you directly to your home page, so you don't need to click anywhere to get here. As you can see, in the first section we have create with animated templates, and in the second we have create animated post. As we said, this is for a TikTok video, so the first option under create animated post we have is TikTok video. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. As you can see, you have all the options here. The canvas, if you click on the canvas, you can see you can select whether it's for a TikTok video, an Instagram story, an Instagram post, LinkedIn post, Facebook post, Twitter post, start for a blank one, and that's all of them. As we said, we want this one to be for a TikTok video, as we previously selected. First, you're gonna start off by adding a background, so you can add your animations and text too. So we're gonna click on background, and as you can see, you can add a solid color for a background. You can take a photo or a video in real time, and you can upload it from your photo gallery. So we're gonna upload from our photo gallery. We're gonna choose a video, for example, this one. Then we're gonna click on choose, so it compresses it, and now we have our background. It's here. First, we're gonna start off by adding animations. So we're gonna click on the animations sticker. As you can see, here you have emoji animations. So you go lower, there are more and more, and they're all of emojis. So for example, let's add the clapping emoji. When you click on the emoji, you have options. You have a color palette, grouped colors, loop, speed, and delete. And here you can adjust the size of your animation. So if you go lower on the scale, the animations get smaller. As you go higher, it gets bigger. So let's just leave it, adjust it like this as you're liking, for example. You can increase the speed of the emoji by clicking on speed. It increases it. As you can see, it's going faster. You can increase this up to 4. And after 4, you lower the speed. As you can see now, it's clapping slower. Then you click again to 0.5, and you can reset it to 1. Just by clicking on it, you can increase, lower, and when you're back to 1, you're resetting it to the original speed. Here in loop, now it's in loop. If you click on loop, it says no loop. And as you can see, after it claps like 2 times, it stops clapping and it stays like that. So in this video, we don't want that. So we're gonna click again, so it's in loop. It claps all the time. You have a color palette option, so you can change the color palette. For example, we want the third one. As you can see, the colors changed. And if you want to save it like that, you're gonna click on apply. And now you've saved the changes. If you want to place it, you can just click on it and move it on the screen wherever you like. For example, let it be in this top left corner. Next, you can add other animations that are not emojis, that are animations, by sliding here down and selecting some. If you don't like any of these animations or they don't apply to your post, you can always click on the plus here. And as you can see, you have all your free animations. You can even search for an animation for something that's relevant to your post. For example, that's a video of me hiking. So this workout animations that we have here are relevant. So let's go ahead and select this one. And then we're gonna click on add animation. You can also do the same settings for these animations also. So you have color palette, grouped colors, loop, speed, and delete. If you don't like something, if it doesn't apply, or you don't like how it looks, you can always delete it by clicking on the delete button in the right corner. So let's change the size up a bit. And now let's place it in the other corner. Other things you can do is you can add text. So let's click on that. So you can add text. For example, this was a nice hike. Explanation point. So you can set the font color. For example, you can select it to any color you like just by moving this down here. Also, you can set it to a specific tone of the color that you like just by clicking here where we have our tones and setting it as you're liking. Example, let's leave it in black so it can be more visible. You can also bold the text so it's even more visible, or if you like, and you can align the text. So it can be in the center, it could be right aligned or left aligned. Let's leave it in the center. If you don't like how it looks, you can also delete it just by clicking this last option that says delete. So we're done editing our text. We're gonna click on done. You can also move it just by clicking on the text and moving with your finger up, down, left, right. So let's say we want it to stay here. Now our post is edited. It has animation in it, it has text in it, it's in the TikTok canvas, and it's done. When everything is done, when you're done, you can always click on share. And you're gonna click on save to device, and it's gonna save it to your device. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.